Good morning, students. As we read at the last chapter, outcomes of democracy. First of all, what is democracy? Democracy is a kind of government in which powers remain in the hands of people. That's why popularly it is known as people's government. One well-known definition given by, just a minute. One well-known definition which was given by Abraham Lincoln: to the people, for the people, and by the people. Now, democracy, it is the Greek word demos and kratos, powers in the hand of the people, is known as democracy. How do we assess the outcome of democracy? Why we have to follow the democratic function? What is the reason behind that? We can follow other functionaries also, other ruling formation also. Why we followed democracy? What is the reason behind that? So student, here first thing, it promotes equality. According to the Constitution of India, right to equality, everyone is equal in front of law. There is no difference between you and me. There is no difference between the President of India and the leader of the nation. Everyone is co-equal in front of law. Everyone is equal. So the first outcome of democracy is equality. Second, dignity. Article 17. You remember from your 8th class book that no one can discriminate anyone on the basis of caste, religion. 15A. So these articles give the enhancement to the dignity of everyone. Then improve the quality of decision making. Yes, in democracy we are having several discussions. For example, Hindu Succession Act, it was passed after a long time, but it is a constructive work. On a constructive basis, it was passed. So it improved the quality of decision making. Provides method to reduce conflicts. In democracy, it is provide to us that we can reduce the conflict among the people. There are several people they were having conflict. Their philosophy, their ideology cannot match with others, but it doesn't mean that we start fighting. In India, in democratic country, just like India, we have the solution for every conflict. When we do the democratic functioning among the people, we can remove all the conflicts. So it provides a method to reduce the conflict. Example, Article 317. In Jammu and Kashmir, it was pending from a longer period. Yet after this, the Jammu and Kashmir divided into 2 union territories, 2 UTs. So with the method they followed, they haven't implemented martial law in Jammu and Kashmir. No. With the procedure, they conducted these type of decisions. Allow rooms to correct its own mistake. Yes, this is most important thing. Students, be on time. Now, it allows room to correct its own mistake. Several times the government takes the decision, this is not favorable for the citizen of the nation. So it allows them to correct their own decision. For example, if they commit any mistake in any decision, example, farmers bill, if they required any suggestion or any change, there is a procedure. That people doesn't want this one, they can, with the procedure they can change. You rememberize your last year's chapter, office memorandum, which was passed by the report was submitted by VP Mandal, it was passed, then it was cased by the people, general awareness was there, and then Supreme Court interrupt and give the decision that you have to re-observe. Now the word re-observe is is correct its own mistake. Now in these 4 points, outcomes of democracy, if you have any doubt, ask me in chat box. Democracy produces 3 things. First, accountable, responsible, legitimate government. How can you say that democracy is accountable? Because after every 5 years, they have to face the election on the basis of their previous record. On the basis of their previous record, 5 years work, their accountability measures. On the basis of accountability, people give the vote. Responsive. Government have to take the response for all citizens. For example, during the COVID-19, if government failed to provide facilities to each and everyone, why we vote? If our government is not responsible. Example, in China, they killed the person. In North Korea, Kim Jong, in the morning 5 cases, in the evening 0. Why? He shoot out. There is no case in North Korea. Why? Because he killed every citizen whosoever is suffering from COVID. But in comparison of our country, response. We take response from each and everyone, because after every 5 years they have to face the election. There is no dynastic rule. Then legitimate government. How can you say that the legitimate government? Because it's follow the rules and regulation and procedures. So accountable, responsive and legitimate government is the best outcome, best producer from the democracy. Any doubt? Now, with this one, we find out the outcomes of the democracy. Now, on the economic front, although the democratic government is not as much good as the dictatorship and other forms of the government, but at the social front, at the front for the people, it is more important in comparison of any other form of the government. Last division in Hindi. Promote the equality. डेमोक्रेसी का जो मेजर आउटकम है वो क्या है? इक्वलिटी को प्रमोट करना, राइट टू इक्वलिटी, आर्टिकल 14 टू 18, ठीक है। एनहांस द डिग्निटी, कोई किसी की डिग्निटी को चैलेंज नहीं कर सकता, आर्टिकल 15 आपने पढ़ा है, आर्टिकल 17 आपने पढ़ा है, ठीक है, दोनों ही पता है। अनटचेबिलिटी, रिमूव द अनटचेबिलिटी फ्रॉम सोसाइटी, आर्टिकल 15 की एनहांस द डिग्निटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल। इंप्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग, अलग अलग स्टेज पर डिसीजन की डिस्कशन होती है, लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में, आफ्टर दैट सजेशन लिए जाते हैं, फिर डिसीजन आता है। और फिर भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो क्या होता है बेटा? डिसीजन को चेंज भी किया जाता है, मेथड टू रिमूव कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और करेक्ट इट्स ओन मिस्टेक। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं करवाता, अगर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाता है किसी बिल पर तो उसे रिजोल्व किया जाता है, सोल्व किया जाता है। फिर डेमोक्रेसी के 3 आउटकम है। अकाउंटेबल, हर 5 साल के बाद इलेक्शन में जाना है, आपको अपने काम का रिपोर्ट कार्ड देना पड़ेगा। रेस्पॉन्सिव, कोई भी देश में कभी भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो रिस्पॉन्स देना पड़ता है। एग्जांपल, बंगाल में कोविड के टाइम पर बहुत तेज फ्लड आया, तूफान आया, तो वहां पर क्या देना पड़ा? गवर्नमेंट को रिस्पॉन्स देना पड़ा और उन इलाकों का सर्वे करा और उनको एक रिलीफ फंड दिया। लेजिटिमेट कि भाई मन से कोई सरकार काम नहीं कर सकती, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन पर वर्क करती है। इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?